Hello everyone, it's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Indiana and I'm down at my 8 family to meet up with my carpet guy to get the carpet installed today. And so I thought I'd shoot a video on just overall thoughts on carpet and rental properties. So typically I try to avoid carpet except for in the bedrooms. I just think it's better to use carpet in the bedrooms for the tenants, and also is usually cheaper, at least for the initial install, than putting in vinyl plank. Long term it may cost a little more, but definitely on the initial install it's cheaper to put in carpet than vinyl plank. The other exception to that, and that's this apartment, which is an upstairs apartment. So in an upstairs apartment I will typically put carpet in the main living areas and hallways, and I do that just for the noise factor. So if you got a kid up here playing and running around, it can get quite noisy for the tenant below and cause you a lot of complaints and ultimately lead to turnovers. So I just think it's better to put in carpet in this situation. So a couple things you'll want to do as you build your portfolio is, one, establish a relationship with an installer. You don't want to really use the big box stores. It just takes too long to get it scheduled. And if you have an apartment setting a week, it's $1,000 a month vacancy. If it's sitting vacant for a week waiting on a carpet installer, that costs you $250. So in this example, I realized I need carpet on a Thursday afternoon. I called up my carpet guy and said, hey, I've got a tenant moving in Monday. I need you to get it installed. He initially said I was crazy, and then I offered to remove the carpet for him and have it all cleaned up. And so he agreed to come out on Sunday and to do that. Carpet guys hate to remove carpet. Everyone does. It's a nasty, dirty job, but I hired my daughter to do it and probably save money over having the carpet installer doing it. But he's happy he doesn't have to remove it. She's happy she made some money, and I'm happy that I'm getting my carpet installed. So everybody's happy. The other thing you'll want to do is establish a relationship with a warehouse carpet store, one of your local ones. Typically you can get the carpet cheaper through them. So for this apartment, I'm paying 56 cents a square foot. It's a very good quality rental grade carpet. And you don't want to use an expensive carpet, even if you say, well, it's more durable, but typically it's not that the carpet wears out. It's that it gets all stained up from Kool-Aid and pops and all that getting spilled on it, and slime. So you just want to buy a rental grade carpet because you're going to be replacing it quite often anyhow. The other nice thing about going through a warehouse carpet store is they will typically cut it to the inch. So for example, if you needed a 10-foot 1-inch piece, they will cut you a 10-foot 1-inch piece. Whereas if you go through the box stores, they typically want to cut it to the foot. So you have 4 or 5 cuts, you may have to buy 40, 50 square feet of carpet that you didn't actually need. So it can save you money by not only on the carpet, but on the amount that you buy. So the process I use with my carpet installer is I will call, schedule him. I'll do a drawing of the room with all the rooms with the measurements. I'll take a picture of that drawing, text it to him. He will send back the cut list that I need. I'll call the carpet warehouse, tell them here's the cuts I need, give them a credit card. They put it in will call, and the carpet guy picks it up. So I don't even have to go to the carpet store to do anything. I can do it all from my phone. So anyhow, I hope this helps. I'll come back and shoot a quick shot once the carpet's installed. All right, everyone, the carpet guy has finished the install. And this is what it looks like. So this is what you get for 56 cents a square foot. Not super thick, there's not tons of fibers, but it's a good carpet, good for this application. Have some leftover padding. Always keep a little bit of carpet in case you need to patch something, some cigarette burn or something like that. So I'll keep that in my building. And there you go. That's the whole thing. So this in total ran with installation about $800 total. So not too bad. Hopefully I get another 5+ years out of this. Thanks for watching.